Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most of people solve this question quickly and they are making a mistake. So let's see first that what mistake most of people make in this question. Okay, therefore cancel this 8 by 4 is equal to 2. Now 4 divide 1 multiply 2 is equal to 4 divide 1 multiply 2 is equal to 2. Equal to 4 divide 2 is equal to 2. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. Because this is not following a rule of math. So let's solve this problem according to PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS. P means parenthesis, E means exponent, A means multiplication, D means division, A means addition, and SA means subtraction. Here multiplication and division both have same priority, and also addition and subtraction have same priority. Therefore, we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So here is one division and here is one multiplication. Both have equal priority. Therefore, we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. So is equal to 4. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep, C means change, F means flip. Okay. So keep the first fraction same as it is. Therefore, we have to write 4 as it is. Then change the sign. So change this sign from division to multiplication. And flip the second fraction. So flip this 1 by 4 is equal to 4 by 1. Okay. Multiply 8. Now here is a multiplication, here is multiplication. Both have equal priority. Therefore, we have to solve from left to right. So 4 multiply 8 is equal to, move left to right, 4 multiply 4 is equal to 16. Okay, 16 multiply 8. So now solve this. 16 multiply 8 is equal to 128. Therefore, the correct answer is 128. Okay. If you like this question, please like, share, and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video. Do not forget to comment your answer. Okay.